If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
Hi there everyone, this is VFRideChallenge3 here at Vision's Fantastic. I'm doing my ride challenge for this week. It's on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad here in Disneyland, California. Of course, it would be kind of weird for me to go all the way to Walt Disney World just to ride Big Thunder, but yeah, here we go. This is ride number 1. This ride got quite a few votes on my last photo report, so ready to get underway. Right about. Wait for it. And we are clear. Here we go. Uh-oh, it's gonna get really dark. Just a heads up. Past those coyotes. Coming up here on our left is actually a Hidden Mickey, for those of you who haven't seen it before. Right there. There's also something coming up, I'm not sure if everyone knows about it, it's called the goat trick. What you do is you watch the goat, and then it feels really intense when you come around this curve, so we're gonna, it's best in the back row, like right now. Here we go! That was intense. Never look backward! Ah! Almost got my head there. This is what some of us refer to as an awkward silence. Alright everyone, ride number 1 accomplished. A few hours till I start work over at, on the parade route, so see how many we can get in. Ride number 2 in row 10 this time. Here we go. It's gonna get spooky. dynamite. It's kind of dangerous, but he's a goat. He can do what he wants. Oh, look at the goat! Look at the goat! Look at the goat! And up, down and around. This is why you want to watch your head. Awkward silence number 1. Okay, 2 rides accomplished so far. See you in a bit. Okay, ride number 3 and lucky row number 13. I'm kind of scared. Yeah, here we go. I got dripped on. Sorry, wrong ride. Oh, hey, look, rattlesnakes. Exciting, wildlife. Here comes the goat. Almost threw me out of my seat. Scary. It's always so quiet. Didn't there used to be some kind of French fry carts over there? I don't know, they're pretty overpriced. It's just harder to do in the teacups. Kind of surprised. Okay, ride number 3 accomplished. Be back in a few.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, just remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Sorry, I tried. I'm practicing a lot to get that voice down, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it.
Pull up on the lap bar.
Here we go, pull back up. Locked and loaded. sunglasses. Hopefully the sun is forgiving. Not a fan of the sun. It doesn't like my eyes very much. Then to the breach. Thingy there powers the chain lift. Alright. Here we go. And my best friend, Mr. Go! Oh! Stayed in that time. Gets me every time. Hope my hair's still okay. I've worked in an hour. It's really bright. And around. Whoa. No, that's the camera. All right. All right, my friends over here at Vision's Fantastic. I think that's a wrap. The 4 rides in. The line's getting kind of long. Yeah, I don't want to be late going to work while I'm playing here in the park. So until next time, have a great week, everyone. This should be posted with another Christmas photo report, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.